For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a late evening encounter, the security forces neutralized two unidentified terrorists in Budgam of Jammu and Kashmir. The Central Reserve Police Force of the CRPF launched a joint operation at Machama in Chadur of Budgam on Tuesday. The joint cordon and search operation was launched at Machama after the cops received a tip-off about the presence of terrorists. The joint cordon and search operation turned into an encounter after the militants opened fire at the security forces' positions during the operation. The gun battle between the terrorists and security forces lasted for about 4 hours, after which two terrorists were neutralized. The cops later revealed that the militant belonged to the Jaish-e-Mohammed or JEM terror outfit. They also suspected that one of the terrorists was a localite, which was one of the reasons why they were holed up in Machama. We launched a cordon and search operation in Machama after receiving credible inputs about the presence of terrorists. The security forces were attacked during the operation by the militants holed up in the area. Two terrorists were neutralized in the gun battle. One of them was suspected to be a local. The militants belonged to Jaish-e-Mohammed. The cops suspect that many localites were involved in the militant organization while also promoting terror in the region. Meanwhile, the NIA conducted raids on multiple locations in Srinagar, including the office of Greater Kashmir newspaper. The raids were also conducted on the residences of human rights activist Khurram Parvez in Sonwar. The raids were conducted on Khurram Parvez over suspicion of unaccounted funding. The offices of an NGO, Athroat, are also under the scanner and were raided on Wednesday. The National Investigation Agency registered cases to probe into fundraising activities of the NGOs who are funding. The sleuths are screening the channel where funds are being diverted to through the fundraisers. The NGOs are now facing allegations of running a Hawala racket, misappropriation of funds and also terror funding. In 2016, Khurram Parvez was arrested from his residence in Srinagar under Public Safety Act. Parvez was detained by the cops for 76 days even after a Sessions Court ordered his release. The cops said, based on a tip-off, a terror funding module of LET was busted and 3 people were arrested. The arrested have been identified as Irshad Ahmed Sheikh, Mohammad Junaid Wani and Raj Mohammad Khan. The cops have recovered incriminating material which also included cash worth 4 lakh rupees.